welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today, yes, again another mod for the Focus ST. And what I'm doing today is I'm going to change my rear lights to the Facelift LED lights. So let's go, guys.
Came back with a click clack, and a ting, that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that are written down.
So as you can see here we have the old light, and that's obviously the new light, which actually makes a big difference on the car. So yeah, a how-to video. So we're going to start off by taking off the Phillips screws. There's one obviously at the bottom and one at the top. Once they've come off, all you have to do is just pull the light off. Don't forget to disconnect it. And there's your light off. So to get the facelift lights working, you need the loom for the donor car. Then what you need to do is you need to chop the old looms off your old one, and then obviously match the colors up and solder them up. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So don't forget to join both the blacks together, which will then go into that ground there, and then the rest of the colours just need matching up. As you can see, they're all paired up: black to black, blue to blue, green to green, and orange or yellow, whatever you want to call it. So once all that's done, just push it back in. And let's check if this light works. It looks a lot better in the dark, but that's how they look. Yep, it all works. Now do the same on the other side, and I'll show you once both the lights are on how they both look. What a difference these lights have made. It changed the way everything looks on the rear. I think they look absolutely brilliant. Easy, quick mod. As I've showed you, it doesn't take long at all, but makes a big difference. So yeah, new facelift rear LED lights for my Focus ST. Right, so I'm gonna go and wrap the video up there. My brand new rear LED lights for my Focus ST. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's simple, it's quick, it doesn't take long at all. So yeah, there we have it. It looks brilliant, looks amazing. I love the way it looks now. Obviously it just sets it apart from other STs. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Take care, and I'll see you soon, guys.